Okay, I definitely have a cube buying addiction at this point, if I don't already have. So I bought this cube of curiosity. This is basically like a GAN. It's like a budget GAN. It's a Rubik's brand speed cube that's rebranded. I mean, the speed cube is the rebranded GAN, but this is also rebranded GAN. And I thought, as far as I'm concerned, there's the only difference between a regular Swiftblock and the Chinese New Year one, the Lunar New Year one, is that the logo is orange and there's a logo on the yellow side. So I bought this because I was curious if there were any differences. There's no video of this particular cube online, so I thought I'd see for myself. I'm not aware of any other differences, like any different color shapes, so yeah. Guess I'll just get to opening the cube. Oh, this is yeah. So obviously this is not a competition legal cube. Well, it's not like I would bring this out to competition anyway. But it really just looks like the only difference between a regular Swiftblock and this one is just the logos on the white and yellow side. And I always thought it was kind of funny that this is basically just a Rubik's brand speed cube, because the Rubik's brand took this cube and just rebranded it as their own. So I sort of own a Rubik's brand speed cube in a way, just under a different name with a slightly different color scheme. So it's kind of heavy actually out of the box. Let's try it. Oof. I don't really like this. Oh, yeah, you're just getting used to, but it's kind of It's not something I would really play with often. I definitely know what they mean by this cube has a heavier feel, but it's kind of uncontrollable. I do like blockier, heavier cubes though in general. So I guess what's natural is to try to solve on this. That was almost a sub 20 if I got N-perm. So it's not the worst thing in the world. If I turn it like pretty softly, it's okay. But again, it's not something I would really use much. I don't really like that the magnets are visible, honestly. Yeah, I guess there's not much to say about this cube. I can tell it kind of locks out a bit actually. Maybe just the way I turn my cubes, but this thing has to get caught out of it if I just turn recklessly. Which is excusable for an older cube, but this cube is not an older cube. This cube is just, it's meant to be a budget cube. So I guess from modern standards, that's kind of a big no-no. Yeah. I don't really have much to say about this cube because really enough has been said about this. It's not the best budget cube up there. It's okay for a beginner. I really just bought this and made this video just to show this logo. And I guess the box is pretty different too. I can keep the box, I guess. I think if you want something more unique, you should buy the Pokemon version of this, because in my opinion there is a nicer shade of yellow on that one. I don't have it and I do not intend to buy it. I do not intend to waste more money buying another Swiftblock. For me, one is enough. I'm not very sure if this will be a limited edition cube. I know that the emblem represents like the year of the horse, because you can see it's the mascot riding the horse. So that might be special until 12 years later when it's the year of the horse again. But I really don't know if this will be like some limited edition cube in the future. It'd be cool if it was, but does it justify the price which I pay for this? No. Oh, whoops. Anyway, yeah, that's all I have to say about the cube.